completely distracted editing. That's my bad. That's on me. I apologize, people. Oops. I'm so sorry. Anyways, moving on. We're gonna pretend I didn't just do that and mess up that badly. Shall we? Cool. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. Like I said, that's on me. That was me being blonde. Oh, go have fun. I'm good. I'm so sorry I'm late. I was completely entrenched in getting some editing done that I completely lost track of time. Like I said, that's on me. I'm sorry. At least everything was ready to go. But yeah, go have fun. I'm good. How are you? How's it going? I see it did not take out the previous day low. I thought it would. Apparently it did not. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's going on with this green screen. It's having a bit of a moment recently. It's fine. I really thought it would take out the previous day low before New York Open, but I see now it has literally just been bouncing between the bob levels. Like, straight up bouncing between the bob levels. That's fine, I guess. It's just, I didn't expect that. Waiting on the opener. Nice, go have fun. Let me actually mark out the London. Sorry, I've been eaten alive by a mosquito while chilling here editing. It's had way too much fun thinking that I am apparently lunch or dinner, depending. Okay, so let's quickly mark out our highs. Yeah, okay, so basically London high and London low. There's the damn mosquito that keeps nom-nomming on me. Go away! I know technically London low was taken, but I'm gonna call this one London low. And I mean, it's right there, it's gonna be taken anyways, but still. Hey, Silent Billionaire, what's up? Happy Taco Tuesday! Neil, hi, welcome back. Hey! What's up, Kwon? How you doing? JP? I hear someone hooting and I'm actually not interested. I'm gonna go find out what it is. Okay, that's not take. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Okay. Now it has taken out the things I wanted to see it take. This was a little bit of the game changer. Like I said, might be. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit late. What's up, Holly? How are you? Damn partial win. Oh, but that's okay. Partial's better than a loss, right? Yeah. Sorry, I was late. OTT, I was busy trying to edit. It's really hard to edit. I was editing the video and I lost track of time. But a partial's better than nothing. Is it cold here? No, I'm just a baby. You caught that long after 8:30. Oh damn! Okay, did you ride? This is not starting great. Did you ride that up? Okay, there we go. Can I just say it is indeed bouncing between the bob levels. So, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Several times it has jumped between this bob level. So it is just ranging off a bit right now. Wins in the chat. Heck yeah. I do not have rejection block long and NQ, which hit TP but didn't take because how the 4-hour looked. Oh, OTT. So disappointing. I say, well, I missed like 3 trades earlier today, but still, be better. Editing scary. It is, OTT, and you want it to look good and you just, yeah. Maybe I'm just not creative enough. Maybe that's my problem. Maybe I'm not a very creative human being, so maybe that's it. Oh, I completely forgot to turn these off. That's how far away that buy side liquidity is. I didn't even clock that it was there still. Okay, just took out previous day low as well, just before opening. Please don't have a huge push now. Please. Because if it has a huge push now, we know what that tends to mean for New York. I'm kind of glad it's been consolidating, because it means we might actually get some decent moves during New York now. If it had just carried on, I would be a little bit upsetty spaghetti, because it might mean that boo-hoo for me. This thing is going, well, gonna go sideways. Curiosity getting the best of me. I mean, that's a very long time all over the place, but this would have been a winning trade. Again, very long time to be stuck in that thing though. Ah! This mosquito has bitten me 3 times. This finger, and my knuckle. Oh yeah, I was feeling skeptical too, but I had a good entry, small stop loss. Oh, there we go. Not too bad. It's not too bad. Okay. So, Solly, both good. Whoop whoop. We're going with whatever the heck the green screen is doing today. I don't actually know what it's doing, but we're going with it. Sorry, guys. That is for Solly. Okay, Atlanta. Rude. But 9:25. We have 5 minutes to go. Do-do-do. 5 minutes to go. Let's see. Took out the low. This low here is going to be the major change of character that we want to see at that 742, 741 level. Still just watching. Sorry, I'm hating. Why are you hating? It's not sunlight, it's just green. That was horrible. I thought you should be. Oh, okay, never mind. You don't. Okay, well, whatever. Louie, what's up? How you doing? How's everybody doing? Are we ready? I'm just glad that the Wi-Fi is working today. I did also have a headache tablet before we started this. Are you talking about this? Crowd moves with me. I don't even know. It's just things are having a mini meltdown. What's up, David? How are we doing? It's going to be nice and quiet the rest of the day, I promise. What do you mean? Like, what do you mean? On the charts or just in general? Oh, David, that's good. That's great stuff. Anyone that's just hopped on?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Let's get it started in ha. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started in ha. Let's get it started in here. You're going to B or you're going to bed? If it's B, where are you gonna be, Alana? So I can't believe you just called me a silly head. Rude. Absolutely disrespectful calling me a silly head. Sad. Just sad. So 9:27. Still got a little bit of time. But I'm goodness. Hey, Jody, what's up? How you doing? Just might be quiet now. Okay, wow, that was mean. Damn, y'all are so aggressive today, gosh. And I don't even have another cup of coffee to keep me going because I've learned my lesson about having coffee in the afternoon. It's a bad idea, then I don't sleep. What's up, Ted? How you doing? Good morning from LA. How's LA today? How's LA today? That works. The positive for the day. I didn't catch a sell towards previous week low, but only if we manipulate to the upside first. Let's say, let's see. Oh, English has left the building. What is English anymore? Ew, I should actually be reading everything I'm writing down wrong, but I'm not. It's that damn coffee. No. I've not had coffee since you saw me drinking the coffee, so it can't be the coffee because the coffee is not here. Coffee is too good when made correctly with the right beans. Yeah, I just have like instant coffee. It's nothing fancy. Oh, we have 1 minute to go. Well, 35 seconds if we're being specific right now. Am I ready? Wait. Just confirming that I don't mess up like I did the other day because that was embarrassing. Okay, so we do indeed have 20 seconds left. Why is it doing this? Oh well. We're going with it. Oh, for crying out loud. Okay, I feel like I've made it worse. Whatever. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, so we have not really broken out of this range yet. We just went straight back up into it. But Bro, I was just trying to do some charting before opening my just yapping in the background. The video speech taken may not be legit. Oh, it's a thing girls do on purpose and partially to people they want attention from, so she must be wanting it to. What the? Also, Solly, well, actually, my bad. Holly, calm down. Wow, Holly's been here for 5 seconds and been a dramatic little madam. 2, 1. I can talk if I want to. Boom, bothered. 9:30 range. Good. Ooh, what the hatedly day did I do there? Let's try that again. Okay. 9:30 range. Instantly, that was a bob to bob trade at the open. And immediately. Did you take the bob to bob, Louis? Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Sorry, ES. It's not what you want to see on ES. ES is very different to NQ right now. Are you mocking my hiccups? Is that what you're doing when you go heap? What at 8:30, TP was 9:20. Noise. Oh, the instant 2.3k. Oh my goodness. Like Holly's being rude for no reason. No, why do we have bullish movement on NQ and bearish movement on ES? Okay. Straight into VWAP and potentially Midnight Magnet, but then the next question is it going to reject off of that or not? Oh no. Maybe I need better spelling. No, the heap actually works. It just, I know you've sent it before and I didn't understand what you were going heap for. I was like, what does heap mean? I can afford a horse. The earnings. $499 more. There we go. The heck? Okay. I don't quite know what I was expecting, but this type of push was not it. It's not pushing on ES. I'm waiting for it to start dropping on ES. See, 20 seconds and then we might get a first presented, but this still looks like it might reject off of this now. For 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have the first presented. That's something. It's a small one, but it's still there. Okay, is ES coming to the party? No, not yet. ES is still yet to break the 930 wick. Hey Cosmic, what's up? How you doing? I might sell it 017. Here we go. Okay. Rejected off of midnight, rejected off of the first presented. Oh, I'm not loving this. That's not nice. When ES looks like that and NQ looks like this, that's not good. Ah, Cosmic, you know what? I can't complain. Anyone wondering? This is the damn 5-minute orb. It is... Let's get this correct. The 5-minute orb is 156 points. Nice. Ah, okay. ES is dropping. That wasn't first presented. First presented was below that. No. There's no first presented anywhere else. Where would first presented be? This at the open doesn't count. There's no fair value gap here. This is the first presented right there. I was thinking about earlier when I was talking about nursing, how long you're in a train, how long it takes to go from level to level. Yeah. What about it? Atlanta. Okay, well that went bob to bob level very freaking fast. We're about to get overextended to the buy side. Very quickly. Nope, doesn't count. Louis definitely doesn't count. Not according to the rules, but yeah, does not count. Trust, I've had this discussion with plenty of people. The 931 is not the first presented. Only after the 930 is the first presented. Velocity, I hope you take a trade today. Velocity, I already took a trade earlier. I'm already up 100, well, just shy of $100. It's very important that you don't want to burn out from staring at an active trade too long. And trade into especially with bad entries as well as... no. Good grief. There it goes. Okay, now it started to push on ES. Can't do anything with this. Literally can't do anything with this. There we go. Thank you, Solly. I knew Solly and OTT would have my back on that one. So you agree, Solly, that the first presented candle is on the 9:32 AM candle, right? Give me a second. I hear hooting, and I promise you, if it's for this human being again, I'm going to yell. is not for that person, so I don't have to yell. We're good. My mouth ordered on my precious counting up 6k. Only for that easy. Break 930 does not count. Noise. Okay. Oh, validation. How weird. Sorry. Oh, that makes sense. It's ICT water. Ah, well, there we go. As you know, I do use some of the ICT concepts too. I'm a stick with it. Bruh, this just shot off. Okay, let's see if this creates that. The fact that this has just gone level to level so quickly, so many times. Okay. I'll check the 5-minute now. David, your cells are coming in. Is this the pullback you're waiting for? You don't want to maybe see it take out London high first? Or Asia high? Wait, is this the trade that you have been waiting for? I remember you had the entry just by like my stop loss earlier, which is at that 036-ish level. So was that the entry you've been waiting for? Have you been waiting the whole day? Hey Ninja, what's up? I'm just bored and there we go. Ninja been daydreaming for the last 4 hours. Okay, let's see what this does. Retested the 5-minute. Oh, now we're going back down. Okie dokie. It's a little bit scary right now. Anyways, moving on. Hey Dom, what's up? Tension in the zone too short. I think it's going. Hey, okay, finally we're seeing it drop properly now on ES and finally NQ to be following. Obviously it's at a different level, but still. At least they're a little bit more in sync now. That's better. I feel better with that. Bro, doesn't mean it's giving me anywhere to enter yet, but it is what it is. How gigantic is this? It's not ideal with regards to where everything else is, unfortunately. Oh, we still have time. We still have time. Don't jump into anything yet. Da 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 da. I've been waiting for this entry since London session. Yeah. Ninja, that is amazing! I'm waiting for Papa. I'm gonna get super high and nerd out unboxing and see how it works. Okay, Atlanta, I'm curious. You're gonna have to tell me what you find. 27 if you're asking how. Did I get what? Cool. Good idea. Okay, anyways. Ninja, this is for you, bud. I'm very random conversations. SMT created there. Inverse over there. I don't hate this, but I can almost guarantee you that this is going to be more than I'm willing to trade right now. A little bit of a tap in and then continuation to the sell side wouldn't be terrible, but a little bit of a big but over there. I don't think it's gonna. Yeah, it's a little bit more than I'm willing to risk, I can tell you that much already. Buying now at 920. Where's the big butt? Sorry. Sorry, Solly. Am I talking too much? I get it. I'll be quiet. Okay, cool. Wee! 9:45. Okay, first 50. There's no news or anything. What? There's been no news this week. Is it? Wait a second. Sorry, did you see the brain malfunctioning for a second? Okay, so tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow there's some news. Awesome. That's not great. And Thursday there's a little bit, and Friday there's a little bit, but Friday doesn't concern me too much. So no golden pocket of the whole bullish range. David. Checking Discord. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I see the Wi-Fi is being a teeny tiny bit slow, but yep. I remember you mentioning that trade in London. Where's your TP at? Oh, is your target the previous day low? Or is your target going to be low? I'm assuming the low is 705. Is that your target, David? Why does it say 705? 805. On yours it said 705. Doesn't matter. 5 minute quickly. Oh no. I have got nothing. Bob to Bob, here we go. Da -da. Wait. I might have something. A little cheeky something, but something. It's cheeky. I'm gonna be quick. Like I said, this is cheeky and this actually might reject off of there. Sugar honey iced tea. Oh, it would have been a loss. Okie dokie. Cool. Good thing that didn't work out then. Woohoo! Back into the first presented. Oh my gosh! Back into the first presented. Oh, inverse. Lesson. Yeah, Solly. Right. Absolutely. Damn. Holly is on a mission today. Weeble does not have a GAN box. Oh, just use a fib and just make it the same levels. Use a fib, just change the levels to this. Much of a muchness does the same thing. TP at 0.20. Looks like I was right. The first presented. No. It's just the fair value gap. There's a difference. It's still a fair value gap, don't get me wrong. It's just not the first presented fair value gap. It's still going to respect fair value gaps, Louis. That's why fair value gaps are there. It's the same here. It's respecting this inverse fair value gap a little bit now. It always tends to respect fair value gaps. I should have entered that one. Boop boop, that's another 2-hour ban. What the heck, Ninja? You're on a mission today. I love it. There we go. See? Fair value gap rejecting off of it. I mean, again, technically, here, first presented, it struggled to break above it. It went above, don't get me wrong, but it is rejecting.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What's up, David? That confused me. I didn't know who it was for a second. You didn't come in screaming. Oof, 30 years out of break even. That's okay. Secure another one. Can it me out? Oh, there we go.
That's what she said. Michael.
Yeah, I should have seen that one coming here. Okay, once this calms down a tad bit, I might be able to pop into some trades. But so far, not yet. Okay, you're back in. So, back to 20 bucks? Or did it not take you out? Did it take you out? Why are you shaking your head? What happened now? Beep 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 beep. Beep beep beep. I'm gonna irritate people with that. Beep 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 beep. Beep beep beep. It's a very strong rejection level. Got the Midnight Magnet, the VWAP, and the first presented right there. Within 30 points of one another. OTT on break even. Nice! Yeah, OTT, where you headed? Buy side, sell side, sideways side, upside, downside? Up, I'm so scared. You know what's funny? I'm stupid song. Until you sang it just now. You're welcome. It's been stuck in my head the whole day, so I feel like fair is fair. If it's gonna be stuck in my head, I'm gonna make sure it's stuck in your head as well. But just in a different visual form. Interesting. It's gonna power puff. No, don't say that. What's up, David? How you doing? I'm from SA too. Question, how do you trade futures being from SA? Which broker and which platform? Oh, Ethan, yeah, not a problem at all. There's actually a few that allow South Africans, so you can check out all the ones in the description below. The main ones are probably Traderfy and Butonox, and currently Top One Futures is also kind of pushing its way back up there. I know Funded Next is also really good. Alpha has just allowed SA as well, so that's cool. They're also very well known. Sorry. So as you can hear, there are a few that do allow, and obviously that is also specifically for futures. I'm currently funded with Top One Futures. I do want to get potentially a 25k eval with Traderfy as well. So, hey Maya, put your hair in a bun. So demanding. Why? Anyways, But yeah, those ones are awesome. Violin also, it depends on where you want to trade. Like, do you want to use NinjaTrader? Do you want to use TradingView? Do you want a one-time payment? Because FundNext and Tradeify are one-time payments. If you want monthly, that and a tiny bit cheaper, that would be either Top One or Violinox. Yeah, so it all depends on what you are looking to get out of a proper. I feel like it's giving you different price levels to both buy and sell it. Yeah. A little bit. You're quite the fanatic, London. FB is 955, it's boosting from there. Ah, interesting. Sorry, Ethan, if that was a little bit of a information overload. Sorry about that. But yeah. Hope that potentially helped a tad bit. Hey, OTT and Louis. Whoop whoop. Nice, Ethan. So where in SA are you from? And how long have you been trading for? Nice things what you're putting here up. Signifies, I believe it's called the third. Anyways, that is a huge whoop whoop to both Louis and... No, wait, Louis, did it take you out or did you get in? Lovely work from the prodigy. When I'm big, I want to be as cool as OTT is. Now we're finally getting a bump from ES as well. That sounded weird. You guys know what I mean. How do you know I got back in? It did hit my TP. Louis, we just... You know, I know you. Whoop whoop, Spammo. Hey, I love it. Cape Town, been studying ICT for 4 years now, since 2022. Mentioned is still on my journey to profitability. That is awesome, Ethan. Yeah, I've only been trading a year. Not profitable yet. Not here to pretend like I am either. Still got some things to figure out, obviously. But slowly and surely we go. I am pretty trigger happy. What? You? Good grief. Oh, this would have made me mad. Yeah. Alrighty then. Sitting on that, sitting on that. $10K month loading. I don't know what to make it stopped out in profit. I've stopped out in profit. A whoop wop whoop whoop. I used to say whoop wop, like a break even, but it's a maybe it's just a whoop. It's not a whoop whoop. It's whoop instead of whoop whoop. No? Yes? Maybe that's it. Maybe we just whoop once. Could look pretty cool. Number one, I don't know how to do that. I'm really... Guys, you give me way too much credit. Even in high school, I am more of a it's called a tomboy. I don't know anything of how to do anything fancy. Like, literally, the trick dance where I actually got dressed up, my classmates didn't recognize who I was because I was actually dressed up. I was actually wearing makeup. And no one knew who I was. Just to give you an idea of how little effort I put into things when it comes to appearances and things. Yeah, good luck. Thanks again. I'm off to lock in on price action for a bit. Enjoy, Ethan. Good grief. Enjoy, Ethan. Good luck. Back in on the buy, same TP. Look at this money flying around. I know, Bob. And do you know where it's going? It's going freaking Bob to Bob levels. I was also commenting on this insanity before opening. I was hoping that was the accumulation. And that we would get a little bit more movement. Unlocks for me. Yeah, unlocks for me. Nothing for me yet. Fine. We break now. Awesome, so whoop, times 1 firecracker. Whoop. I think it's because Holly? I might have to buy this, but now I'm skeptical. If you hit 10k deals. Just oh god. Oh, I got lazy and to point out the similarities and differences between the Gambok and dynamic bands, and the only difference is one is dynamic. You ready? That's not such a wasted air service. Not to tell me the most basic stuff. Oh gosh. I don't want to do that for free. Ew! What is wrong with you guys? I was thinking the piano from multiple accounts. Does that count? Not for your crusty South African toes. That is so disrespectful. Microwave, what the heck? Apologize. So much, yet so little movement in the same breath. Bob, which Bob to Bob level did you take? If you're still here. If Bob is still here, which level did you take? Because I know you took one. Because you are way better at them, obviously, at your levels, but yeah. Out of curiosity, which was your Bob to Bob of choice? You've had plenty, so you know, I'm curious. When you see South Africa on TV, the movies and shit. Waiting for a big setup. Oh, okay, cool. I'm just waiting for my confirmation. I'm just gonna keep waiting. If I don't get anything, it is what it is. Did have a winning trade earlier, so me. I was looking at this, I was like, a Bob to Bob from here. Let's see what this does. Maybe not. See if this goes all the way down. It is at a bit of a support level, but still. My speed can confirm. Neil. Oh, gosh. Next push down, so we're getting out of here. 2026. Be nice to Neil. Neil, cool. Have to remember, I don't have to take a trade. Don't force yourself to get a trade. Don't let FOMO win. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. Telling myself not to be dumb. I haven't gotten my A+ setup yet. So leave it alone. Not touchy. Leave it alone. Hey, first loss of the day. Bang. 3 point. Not bad. Wait, Ninja, are you then done for the day? Are you done for the day? Damn, TP was perfect. It's reversing hard. Woo! Ironically, the one I was kind of looking at. That is awesome. Obviously, just not as large. I would have had mine. Oh, sorry. I'm talking to Bob. Scalps all done for the session. Oh, nice, Neil. Well done. Hope still now. Decent trading left of the session. Is Bob your relative? No, Bob's not my relative. Why? I don't care about jinxing you. This is the most confidence and sureness I've felt all few in weeks. That's interesting. Wonder why. Shush. Sorry, my tummy's making all the noises. Going blah blah blah. There we go. Ooh. Sorry. Curiosity. Ooh. Damn. Anywho. Oh, actually, it probably... Can we please just give me an entry? Just a little one's enough. Gosh. I'm sad because I really want to take a trade, but I know not to let the fear of missing out take over, even though I really wanted to, but I know I shouldn't. Don't do it. Because Bob's your uncle. I need a minute. TP for Dom, whoop whoop, that is amazing. Well done, Dom. I'm gonna need a minute after that. That was... I'm mad. Oh, I thought it was a joke, but for real. He is your uncle. No, it is a joke. It is a joke. But yeah. I'm not mad. I'm just... So we had the accumulation, the manipulation to the buy side, and now we're getting the distribution back further down. Nice. Has given me an entry. No, but we are still here. Gonna continue until otherwise. Wait a second. Like, I need to take back. What you mean? Self timeout. Wins in the chat. I love it, guys. Well done. Seriously, whoop whoop for anyone that is in the green for today. Super duper proud of you. Said all of this was just kind of running away from me today, but that it is what it is. Sorry. We just gonna stay here and wait. For our trade. Micro better stop my ICT calls. Be my first scammer. Oh, scammy, sorry. P&L's going up on a Tuesday. Oh, flip is a group for the day for me. Just let the kids meal for lunch. His parents. Skip. Skeletor, are you good? Are you good? Oh, could be slow. I've been saying that since Monday, yeah. And it's right there. Look at it, chin-chilling. It's been waiting. Da, da, da. So we just sits and waits. From always being so choosy. Ah, Skeletor, I'm good. I can't complain. Just gonna keep on watching, keep on going. As we do. I wanna short this so bad. You took word. I feel like I can't take you guys anywhere. You guys are unhinged. I love it, but damn. Rejection off the 50%. Decent rejection off the 50%, but let's see here. Clearly we've hit a bit of a support level. What does it look like on the 5 minute? 5 minutes. Boop, 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 boop. I don't know why we're doing robot language, but boop, 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 boop. Ooh. Tapped into there. Awesome sauce, 15 minute. I feel like this is nearly the complete confirmation of the bear run that is about to start. Sorry, I know I'm very zoomed out right now. Hey. There we go. Sorry folks, was just checking something. Oh, Ninja's in? Okay. My default setting is trust no one. Break her heart and stomp on it with spike boots. Don't let her stomp on yours, buddy. What happened? Who's hurting who? Evil Bob 28750. It's close. It do be close. Leave me alone! Shoo, please, I don't want to kill you, but you're very irritating. Hey! Whoop whoop! Whoop whoop for Bob! Banger, well done. $142 banger. That is awesome. Here was Bob's trade. Whee! Nice. Absolute banger. Well done. And there's that low being taken. Now the question is, are we going to get a proper pullback or not? TP at 720. Close, there we go. I think. Did it take you out properly? Yeah. Bob's chart colors do relaxing, oh my gosh. Hey! What's up? Is it getting back up there? Very, very slowly, but yeah, it is. Just again, very slowly. Okay, took out that major sell side liquidity, so now the question is, are we going to be retesting back up or not? I'm frustrated because, ironically, there would have been no entry for me. Anyway. Except for potentially this one, but that one would have been a cheeky one. Nowhere else would I have actually had, an entry for the sell-off. Bit of a bummer, but it is what it is. What's wrong with my chart? What is wrong with my chart? It's clean. There's barely anything on it. There's the pop levels. What's wrong with it? Where's the phrase cheeky come from? I actually have no idea. I need to let go of your emotion. I believe it or not. There's actually no emotions going on today. If anything, a little bit of FOMO emotions happening here. Me wanting to just market in and do some things. But with regards to my strategy, there was not one single one today. Well, during New York, we had a banger during London, which was awesome. Clean is too strong a word to you. Tolerable, maybe.
Emotional damage.
Rude. It's not every day. No, true. Cheeky photo versioning. Oh, that's a good point. Where does the phrase cheeky come from? Come on, Lou, you're like my fact checker. Where does the phrase cheeky or cheeky chops? I always say cheeky chops. Where does that come from? I have to turn the brightness down to tolerate the chart and the volume down to tolerate the app. Polly on form today. Damn, she be a proper bee today. Anyways. Really, I say cheeky chops. What's up, Wanda? How you doing? Commonly used in UK. The phrase is cheeky monkey. Cheeky monkey? Really? Adding shop to anything makes it South African. Oh, I love it. Can people start acting up? I feel like banning someone. Damn, Mikuave, are you feeling a little bit trigger happy chappy? Or it's just it's my groom. Oh, it's on my horse getting a bath. Okay. Don't disrespect personally. So when someone had a cheek, yeah. Cheeky for instance, someone acting a little rude, openly or daring. Yeah, now you got mods. Yeah. How is intoxicating? Good grief. Okay, wait, on the 5 minute, let's see something. I feel like this has gone too far down. I wanna watch these videos, I'll watch them later. Of my horse having a bath. He must have been acting like a real chop for my groom to take photos and videos. Wonder what he did. Outside I'm harassing some. No, subway stereotype on my eyes. I'm drunk. Eyes. Oh, I want the FOMO to go away and leave me alone. Because it's bad right now. Sugar honey iced tea. ES is actually being real respectful today. If I was trading on ES, I would have retraced. Can see that already. 1, 2. Then there, potentially 3. You're just not coming back up far enough. Like, this is a B setup at best. At best, this is a B setup. You bought a funded account on your birthday yesterday? That's amazing! Well done, Wanda! But it's okay. What a sell-up, yep. Nasdaq is a single one. You did? Yeah, because I mean, if we have a look at ES quickly. Alright, let's just, you know, bear with me. Oh, I take it back. It wouldn't have tagged me in. I would have been an upsetty spaghetti. Unless I went there, but I don't know if I would have done that. Audacity. Anyways. 1, 2. Oh, I take it back. I take it back. Ain't nothing going back up far enough. Wow. My bad. It really looked like it retraced the 50. I mean, it was close, so this would have just been rude. A lot. We're seeing a push back up. Will I ever have a winning trade and be like, that wasn't supposed to win? Yes, why? Me right now. What did you do? I'm up on Tuesday, goal 500. That's really good though, Wonder. Well done. Seriously, that is awesome. Thankful to end a miserable losing streak. Yep. You know, Solly, it takes me a solid minute to understand what the heck you're going on about, and then I'm like, oh, right. I don't even register the hiccups anymore. There we go. Is this the break? Okay. Sorry. Silver, how are you doing? And Mikrove, what ink is posting yes, though it's so choppy. Yep. I'm trying different spelling. Very crazy part. I wasn't even a specific target. I had in mind just 2R. What trade did you take, OTT? Now that apparently you're just messing around with the charts because you can. A rough life you got going there, bud. I'm not taking this, but to see it retrace back up to the 50% wouldn't be terrible. Now that it took out all that sell side liquidity. Okay, I'm gonna do butterfly of the day. Sorry. I just went to myself. You are about to try and long a very bearish market that feels stupid. Look backwards. Expecting short fires. If basically the whole market still going down, will probably revert to mean. Support holes will probably revert to the mean. Oh, there we go. See, Ninja, that's what's going on in my head right now. I'm like, you know what? I don't even know if I'd have it there though. Safe would be to have it there. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do butterfly of the day because the FOMO is kicking in. Don't let it win. And why I said I'm not gonna do it because I'm going against the market. To do is big laugh at them for trying to be that hero. Bought at 697. Let's see, tapped into that fair value gap. Oh man, watch this work out perfectly. Or not. Here we go. Another rejection. But that's easier said than done sometimes, yeah. I remember you had a win. No, that's true. That's true. Don't do dumb things unnecessarily. Oh, what's up, who's you? How you doing? Okay. Ooh, ooh. Good grief. Sorry. Let's do butterfly of the day. So that I don't do something dumb. I feel like that's a valid reason for doing butterfly of the day. If the emotions are taking over, take a step back. And look at a butterfly. No, look at a different butterfly. Okay. Oh, you're cool. Okay, let's do this one. What are you? A mocker swallowtail. Awesome. Let's do a butterfly of the day because the emotions want to take over. Don't let the emotions win. Don't do. Mocker. Ugh. Apparently people use this for a lot of designs. This is quite cool. Yeah, it's called the... Yeah, this is it. The mocker swallowtail. The wingspan of... Oh my gosh, this is a freaking big butterfly. Anyways, wingspan of 80 to 110 millimeters. Oh, you get a lot of variations of this dude. Wow. Okay, so to give you an idea, all of these photos here, all of these are variations of the species. So it's not assumed gender. They take on many different forms. So all of these are actually correct. Even that one, that's correct. I'm not sure about that one. They have orange. That one's correct. That's wild. Oh, this is a cool butterfly of the day. Damn. This dude's got a lot of different variations. What? That's difficult to... How the heck do you identify this dude? Anyways. They're found on flowers or mud puddles. Shy, only near food plant. Okay, so they are little shy butterflies. I'm sorry. So distribution is... There's many. In tropical Africa. Oh my gosh, with so many things, this is quite difficult to say, but there's one of them that is found south of the Limpopo River. Common widespread Afromente forests along coast from Western Cape, Georgian Knysna, and mountain chain into lowland forests of Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal riverine and montane forests in Mpumalanga and Limpopo province. Cool. Habitat is forest edges, parks, and gardens. Flight period is year-round in northern areas, absent from southern forests in winter. Cool. Cool. This one's a lot. Riveting content. I'm on the edge of my seat. Why is Holly being so rude today? Wow. Point is the... Oh no! Before... Oh shoot! I didn't do the Latin name. Where you at, bud? There it is, I found it. Okay. Latin name is Papilio Dardanus Sedia. Papilio. Nailed it. Okay. I just like saying Papilio. Back to the charts. What have we got? Da, 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 da. Nothing amazing for me yet. Checking. The random word of the day that most people don't and haven't heard of. True. Everything content. Parking, looking at a bunch of rabbit ears. No. What does Solly make you realize? Males generally look the same. The girl butterflies are known to be very naggy. Attacking them until they hunt for food. The females follow us and don't allow the males to eat first. Oh my gosh! These butterflies sound like they're just in an abusive relationship. What the heck, man? That I'm not hating on Mai enough. Why do you want to hate on me, OTT? I feel like that's the better question. Why do you want to hate on me? I've always been intrigued by the caterpillar. They produce the butterfly. They look like mini mythical Pokemon. That is true, Ninja. They really do. Have you seen some of them have like little horns? Like the caterpillars have like little horns and things. They're quite... I don't know if adorable is the right word. Hosey, I'm not in this. Yeah, I'm not in this. I was gonna be rude. Don't be rude. Don't be rude just because... just because FOMO's hitting you. Don't be a bee. Don't be a bee. The girls in that butterfly family seem very high maintenance, just a little bit. Like, I hate, but Solly does it like he does it for a living. I think he does. 6 Tuss, what's up? Is that right? I feel like it's Solly's favorite thing to do in the world, is be mean to me. Which is very rude. Just saying. I got FOMO. Oh no, what happened? They are adorable. Okay, so they're always the cutest ones. Aw. See, like there's some with like little horns and they're very cute. Like I said, there's some that are super weird and you kind of look at them and go, no. But some are just, like you said, they kind of look like Pokemon. They legit remind me of Pokemon. And then they evolve into butterflies. Real life Pokemon right there. I don't even have, well, never mind. No, I was gonna say. Let's not bring back the conversation from this morning. Let me be quiet. Okay, we've looked like we have now... Have we overextended ourselves a little bit over here, bud? Yeah? Cool. We look like we have overextended ourselves just a tad bit. It was 14 boys in the street. I couldn't beat him up, so I learned to talk. Hey Bob, you missed butterfly of the day, but apart from that, absolutely nothing. I was considering taking this buy up to the next Bob level, but I mean I could have. The time was still fine. But I took a little bit of a step back because I felt FOMO wanting to kick in completely, which is bad. Until then it's chopping. Oh no. Okay, maybe, yeah, I think it's overextended and now it's might chop for a little bit. Or Anna because make your feet look like hands. Louis, what the heck, man? What a weird sentence to read. Statement? Well, same thing. What a weird thing. Also, why would you want to do that? Just be real. Why would you want to do that? Why would you want to make your feet look like hands? Ironically, I would still be in this trade. Like I said, it's just completely going against the trend right now. There's the lady with a size for 4.5. Okay, why are we judging my feet size now? Foot size. Feet size, both work. Ew. You could wear a glove on your foot. I don't have weird ass toes, but okay. A glove on your foot, you mean a sock? Sorry, I'm being sassy. I'll stop it. Don't do it. I'm gonna do this. I was really thinking about this one. I was really thinking about taking this one. I was really thinking about taking this one. I just came back from the trade and what the heck is this chat? Hey, welcome Silva, welcome. A lot of against the trend trading. What do you mean? I haven't taken one single trade. For that reason that I want to take it against the trade, against the trend. Watch this mother fluffer work out now. I swear, if this works out. I would be in profits here. Just saying. Oh, look at that! It would have been a winning trade. Who would have thunk it? Bears tired, Bears goes napsy time. Yeah, guys. That actually would have been a beautiful wick in and take profit in one candle. Just saying. Ninja go longsies. I love it. So anyone else want to make a comment about the trade? No? I'm so sorry. This is again the sassiness. I'm sorry. I'll stop. I even said that I was considering taking longs back up to the retest up here at the 50% of the full range. Because it does eventually have to retest, because we are definitely overextended. Louis, because I was going against the trend. That's why. That's why I didn't take it. Because I was going completely against the trend. Now it's going beautifully bob to bob. Because I was going against the trend, I felt completely like I was just letting the fear of missing out take over. The FOMO. I didn't want to let the FOMO win. Maybe I should have for this one. Oh well, it is what it is. It is what it is. Now we move on to the next. Hello. Hello. Actually, I say we move on to the next. I'm way too grumpy for someone who's in the green today. Sorry, I'm way too grumpy for someone who's in the green today. One 810, let's go. I'll take it if you're not watching the 15-minute. This sounds terrible. I really don't like the 15-minute candles. I prefer looking at the 5-minute. I'll go off of the 5-minute, not the 15. Atlanta, it's the coffee. It's not the coffee. Why are you hating on the coffee? Why are you hating on that? Wait, are you actually genuinely doing a bob to bob level right now, Louis? Sorry, the 810 is right by that bob level. It's at that bob level. There will be more, but that's still a bummer when you see it play out. That's true. We knew this would be you at 3:45. What do you mean? Well, Efe, you said you would have shorted here. What, that tap into this bit of an order block? Louis, what the heck? We need to put on there for a glass and blast. Oh, Kelly Clarkson! Kelly Clarkson's a jam, actually. You know what? I don't hate on that idea. What, must I put the heels back on? You know they're still chin-chilling here. I'm not gonna put the heels back on though, because that's problematic. There we go. Louis, are you out or are you still in?
That's what she said.
Do 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 do. Since you've been gone as a hood classic, obviously. Okay, F it. Why chinchillin? Is that a thing made up, or do other people say chinchillin? No, it's kind of something I say because people, especially when chinchillas were a big thing. I don't know. Everyone wanted a chinchilla at a stage. Then everyone would be like, chinchilling with a little picture of a chinchilla. Weird market stole some ticks from me, so break-even stop loss triggered in the negative for small stop loss. Ah, I think, yep, stop loss sound, you're right. It is stop loss sound. Took me out at 790. Nice. We see us tomorrow. Nice. Yeah, Dom. Well done. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Like I said, Ninja. Let's get it. I feel bad for blowing up at people. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I was so sassy. But it would have been a win. Just saying. Moving on. What keeps me going? Silver? Stubbornness? Does that count? I don't know if stubbornness counts. Okay. Like nobody's ever felt or scared or hurt by your little my little tail. What do you mean? Okay. Guys, I'm gonna go because I can feel the emotions up to here and the sassy South Africans about to come out, and I'm about to be very mean to people. So they get mad. It's like that little mosquito that bit you earlier. Did you just call me a mosquito? Anyways, like I said, I'm gonna call it because I'm very much that close to to losing it at people. Which is, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Okay, let's be nice human beings. Okay, so I love you guys madly. Like I said, I can feel the emotions up to here. I shouldn't be. We are in the green for today. I will go get over myself. We'll come back tomorrow. I'm in the green for today, nearly up $100. Awesome. I was going down. It's okay. So I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. You guys are thebomb.com. I'll then see you guys back here tomorrow, London and New York again. Let's see what happens. Start a new day fresh. And it's Wednesday. So I love you guys madly. Be good. Enjoy your day, evening, night, wherever you're at. Don't forget to press that like button. If you guys want discounts, you know which code to use. That's about it. And if you want to join the Discord, it's pinned. Yes, okay. I love you guys madly. Be good, trade safe. Okay, bye guys. Love you.